Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Binance virtual card. First, open your Binance app and navigate to the card section. You will need to complete identity verification if you haven't already. Once verified, activate your virtual card and link it to your preferred funding source, typically your spot wallet. This setup process is quick and ensures your card is ready for use. Funding your Binance virtual card is straightforward. Simply transfer the desired cryptocurrency from your spot wallet to your card wallet. When you make a purchase, your crypto is automatically converted to the local fiat currency at the current market rate. You can then use your virtual card for online transactions wherever major card networks are accepted, making global spending seamless. The Binance virtual card offers several advantages, including low transaction fees and competitive exchange rates, maximizing your crypto's purchasing power. It also provides robust security features to protect your funds during online transactions. You can easily monitor all your spending and manage your card settings directly through the Binance application, giving you full control. For optimal use, always check your card balance before making significant purchases to avoid declines. Regularly review your transaction history within the app to ensure all activity is legitimate and to keep track of your spending. And speaking of keeping things fresh, life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener. You can find a link for that, along with other great deals, in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.